Hey, supposed to tilt it and then pull. Supposed to pull down and pull off. Got to tug on that motherfucker.
Yeah, but we might as well
don't break it though. It's your boy CeeLo back with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. My homeboy said he wasn't working on this motherfucker, but look. Small town outcast, Savage Scott is out here under my dash. But it's cold out this motherfucker. Mother Nature is playing games with us, y'all. I'm going in the house, put my hat on real quick. I'll be right back. I'm back. A little bit more toasty.
Can you hear me?
So, yep.
Hello?
Working on it.
Yeah.
Got the rubber piece off.
Alright. Yeah, I can hear you. My phone's in the car. I'm on my watch.
Oh,
right.
Skip get ready to come over?
Okay.
Skip get ready to come over too? He said he get ready to head this way, so he must be getting ready to come over. You know, he's coming over because you here.
I don't know why he's coming over. I only got 2 out of the 3 kids here.
Right. And they in the house with my kid. Looking at Pokemons that Trent made on her computer. So Trent entertaining the babies right now while we out here. He come over here and do the clean work. He ain't come get greasy and shit with me the past couple days. He come over and do the clean work.
I'm the one that has to do all the work.
That's during the week, nigga.
Yeah, after I get off of work.
Yeah, that's during the week. You doing the dirty shit. This is where I need you to come do the dirty shit, greasy shit here. But I'll settle for the clean work. You go ahead and do the clean work. We're gonna let him do the clean work.
Because if I didn't do the clean work, it wasn't going to take too long.
It wasn't gonna take 2 hours. I just wasn't probably gonna come out here and do it today.
Exactly what I mean.
I'll be honest with you. It's cold out there. The nigga my hands don't work well in the cold, y'all. I said either I'm gonna come out here or I ain't gonna come out here. It was one or two. It was gonna come out here. I ain't saying I wasn't, and I ain't saying I was. So that was a toss up in the air. But you know, we already had him planning on coming over anyway. Told me he wasn't gonna mess with the truck yesterday, and look at him now. That's what you call a talking shit ass friend. You know she wrote it down. No, she ain't write that shit down. Of course. What, that she would write it down?
Yeah.
So, I'm going to come back to y'all possibly when the truck is started or possibly when my phone gets charged. So, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Work is in progress.
Possibly when we break something.
You heard him say, when he breaks something. Thing to a chicken wing. And y'all see that my homeboy, look, he leaving that fast.
Hey, it's alright, I fucking told you.
Well, you gotta wait till you in the camera, motherfucker. All gauges is jumping like they supposed to. Say what?
I said, if you don't think that is your job, it's all up on the side, it ain't no breakdown, and I fucking told you so.
And of course, I'm gonna go ahead and agree with him because he's been saying, and my homegirl Ashley's been saying, that it's the motherfucking switch. So, fuck you, but thank you.
I told him fucking 3 weeks ago to go get that ignition switch.
He did. He said he did say 3 weeks ago, yo, you need a new ignition switch. I'm like, bro, no, the battery keep draining. It's something wrong. That's the battery. I'm watching the battery gauge do like this slowly after I drive over to Wimber, come back. By the time I make it back, or I make it over there, it's shut down. Like the day shut down in Bilo's parking lot. You know what I mean? And then after that, changed out the battery. Changed the battery first.
The alternator.
Then we changed out the alternator. Then I changed out the crankshaft positioner. I changed fuses. I cleaned ground wires. I did everything that it basically really needed to be done. But it didn't need that to be done for me to change the new safety switch. So therefore,
it got to the point to where he couldn't start it at all, and I was like, Sean, it's that ignition switch. He tries to go get a fucking lock cylinder yesterday.
and I'm like,
After
nah.
I told them the fucking what
the
switch he needed.
switch. I called him. I said, bro, call up there, find out how much this switch is. You know what I mean? They had the switch. We got up there. I'm like, man, I don't know. How much is the lock? Because I do need that because my key is plays. You know what I mean? You can play with it and shit. You can pull the key out the ignition and all of that while it's running. You know what I mean? Bah. So this is I told you so. But still, go to hell. Love you, bro.
Hey, that's 3 times. We're going for 6.
No, we ain't going for 6, goddammit. We ain't doing that one.
Yeah.
Alright, why? Well, glad it took Scott to come over here for you to stop past. You know you're more than welcome, just so you know to stop past. Being as though you got a homeboy lit down the street.
Yeah.
You know?
I ain't really out here all that often, but next time I'll come back.
Yeah, you better stop.
I'm about to be driving the Subaru now, so.
You about to be driving something. That's all that
Just
matters.
because he stops over doesn't mean you give him another fucking car project either.
Hey, just, yeah.
Yeah, we got a car project that we ain't did yet. We've been waiting to do it, ain't we, Skip? He almost forgot about it. Then it came to his head like, yeah.
You talking about the fucking Magnum?
No, the turbo. We ain't putting the turbo in the Magnum. We putting the turbo on the truck.
Okay, so we're going to go from switching out the ignition switch to frying the fucking pistons. I got you.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
All right.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna tell you this now. When it comes to you frying out them pistons,
We getting a
Oh,
whole
another
nother
one.
I
engine.
mean, first it'll fucking crack the block and probably.
All of that good shit. Well, it better be off on the V8 than the V6.
oh, let's take it this way. Whatever the fuck you gonna do to that motor, call somebody else that time.
No, that's when I'm gonna call you and tell you, look, I got a new motor. We gonna put it in.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what I'm
You better
calling
hope
for.
it's in the middle of the motherfucking
I
summer,
don't
'cause
put
ain't doing that
motors
shit
in.
for
I
winter
ain't
yet.
gonna lie to you. Nobody. Hey, I don't do motors.
Put a fucking 427 in it.
I want to put something nice in it, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. But y'all gonna go because y'all got plans for the day. I got plans. Hopefully I ain't gotta go to the store, but if I do, at least I know I ain't gonna stop. Well, at least we hoping to not. All right, bro. There's always something. Hey, Scott, hit me up, yo. Hit me up.
Of course I gotta hit you up. I got your son to fuck with, and I gotta keep telling you I told you so.
All right. Small Town Outcast, y'all. Small Town Outcast Productions. He came over. He put in the neutral safety switch for me. Not the new. Damn. I keep thinking about the Magnum, y'all, because that's what's coming next. Is the neutral safety switch for this. But the ignition switch was for this. And yes, we are done. We are definitely done. Neutral safety switch is in. This is the old one. So yeah, now we need the exhaust done. Sorry, ignition switch. Yep, now we need the exhaust done. And we're gonna get a few other things done. But in the meantime, we just glad it's back up and running for sure now. So it's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell so y'all get all the upcoming content that I put out. Catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Sounding good. I miss it. I miss her talking to me. Yes. Yes. The ram is done. Now we can get back on track with things. Peace.